Welcome back. Today's update will be on the ore washing plant for 1.12.2. So let's take a look at what machines you will need. You're going to need the macerator and the ore washing plant, of course. So if I just quickly show you how to make that. For the ore washing plant, you're going to need an electric circuit, basic machine case, 3 iron plates, 2 buckets and 2 electric motors will give you the ore washing plant. So first, what you're going to need to do is place them down and provide them with power. And next, if we chuck the gold ore in the macerator so we can double our ore, I would recommend supplying a overclock upgrade because these machines are extremely slow. So as you can see, you will now get crushed gold ore. That's the main part out of the way. Fantastic. So if we quickly go over the GUI, basically you can place your buckets of water in here, but I wouldn't recommend it. I would recommend using water cells because they can be stacked, or you can do what I'm about to do now. We just hook this guy up to my water tank. Oh yeah. Next, what you want to do is grab your crushed gold ore, and this is where it gets placed. There you go. Now we will let that chug away and do its thing. Plus I would recommend putting another overclock upgrade this machine as well. Just bear warning, this machine takes a lot of water, so make sure you have a pump nearby or a tank. Booyah! There you go. You got your perforated crushed gold ore, tiny piece of gold dust and stone dust, which isn't really used for anything. And as you can see, look at that, man. It's like got my geothermals going off like nobody's business. So just some notes to note: both of these machines are low power, so don't go put in a MFE or MFSU. If you are, you're going to need to bring the power down. And both of these machines do not process these ores: coal, lapis, emeralds, redstone and quartz. So just as proof that it doesn't work, we head over to the macerator. Now we try to chuck this diamond ore in. As you can see, it's not going in, so it doesn't work with diamond ore as well. It won't work in the ore washing plant as well because that only takes crushed ore. You can't get diamond crushed ore. Now we'll head back over, and just for some of you new people, if you'd like to know how long the ore washing plant takes, roughly it's about 17 seconds per crushed ore. So I hope this has helped you in learning about the ore washing plant. As always, until next time, sit tight.